Hi folks, Patrick Turner here today from Feldman Chevrolet of Highland. Wanted to talk to you about the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer. These have been extremely popular lately, so we wanted to give you a quick rundown, show you the features and benefits of it. This particular one is a all-wheel drive active model. It's pretty loaded, so I selected this one so we can show you all of the available features that come on the 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer. We're going to hop in, take it for a quick drive, and tell you all what we think about it. Alright folks, here we are driving the all-new 2021 Chevrolet Trailblazer. Again, this is the active all-wheel drive model. This one's pretty much loaded up. You got about everything you can get in it, including all the safety aids, the driver aids. This particular model has the forward collision alert, the lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, front automatic pedestrian braking, pretty much everything. Power lift gate. Blind spot indicators. Now again, I selected this one because I wanted to tell everybody all of the available amenities and options that are available in this Trailblazer. So for a pretty low price point, you can get a pretty loaded up vehicle. It's also got heated seats, Apple CarPlay standard, wireless Apple CarPlay. It's the first vehicle that Chevrolet has out right now with wireless active CarPlay. The one thing that a lot of people I think are going to like about this new Trailblazer is the advantage of shutting off the start-stop technology. A lot of people aren't fans of it. This one also has a sport mode, which I'm driving in right now. 1.3 liter turbo, about 155 horsepower, right around 200 foot-pounds of torque. It's more than adequate to move it along. Accelerates pretty good. It doesn't make a lot of engine noise, not a lot of rattles. It's pretty smooth, and a very nice linear torque delivery from the turbo. Pretty spacious in here. I'm not a tall guy, I'm about 5'10", but more than adequate. I don't think my camera guy is completely out of room back there either. Steering seems to be pretty responsive. Braking's good. Chevy's always been known for good brakes, and this one's no exception. Now the layout of this vehicle, the instrumentation, the interior, it's all new. It's not mimicked off of anything. But people that have been driving Chevys for the last couple of years, you're going to have a pretty easy transition into how everything operates in here. Audio controls are still on the back. The MyLink system is still pretty much like the rest of them, no matter which model Chevrolet you're driving right now. Ride's pretty smooth, not a ton of road noise. We got a little extra road noise because of the sunroof up here, but that's kind of expected. It's a bit of a windy day out today too. But nice leather seats, they're comfy. Driving position's nice. Now these are going to start out right around 20 grand for your LT model. That's going to be our most popular model, is the LT. Right around the winter months, the all-wheel drive is going to become more popular than the rest of them. But that's going to be your intro into things like remote start, heated seats, the things that people in Michigan like. Go down a dirt road here and see how quiet it is. Model. It's got a couple nice features on it that some of the others don't. Now they targeted this specific model right towards the Jeep Cherokee, not the Grand Cherokee, the smaller Cherokee model. So this comes with a little more aggressive off-road tire, retuned suspension, skid plates underneath. It's going to target people towards those more active lifestyles, people that like to go mountain biking, kayaking, where the entry points to those things are going to be a little like we're driving on right now, dirt, potholy. So they've kind of catered a lot of them towards different lifestyles. The RS model we also have can be equipped pretty much like this. It's going to look just like this on the inside, leather seats, but it's going to have red around the trim, All the piping on the stitching is going to be red as well. That's going to be for a little more street oriented. It's got retuned suspension for road use, whereas this one's retuned suspension for a little more off-road use. So we're going to get heading back to the dealership here right now and try to go sell some of these things. So if any of our local customers here would like any more information on these, visit our dealership, corner of M59 and Hickory Ridge, Feldman Chevrolet of Highland, Michigan, Michigan's #1 Chevy dealer. Again, my name is Patrick Turner, and thanks for watching us today.